Listen, I know you're wondering, what the hell am I doing? I don't know either. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I first of all don't even know where to start off because I'm doing so much. I think I'm already confusing myself, so I hope to really explain this correctly before I confuse any of you. So there's 3 videos that I got inspo off this. So in my recent video, someone told me to do palette bingo and I was like, what? So I searched it up and Emily Noel here on YouTube created this palette bingo challenge. Basically, she grabs her palette, say for example, like this palette, it has 39 shades, and she puts it on her phone and then it'll tell her what number. And because bingo is 5 letters, she chooses 5 colors. For example, if she does it, she gets number 3, she would literally use the shade 3. So she kind of just counts them. Another inspo I got was Nikki Tutorials. She did the bingo makeup challenge. I don't know how to play bingo. I've never played it. So we're doing a mix in general. And last but not least, there's another video going viral on Instagram that a lot of you guys are tagging me on. And basically this girl is like raffling her palette. She just picks a number, and I think she does 3 colors though. She does the same thing, she counts it and it tells her, you know, you're using these shadows. So I hope that makes sense. So I got inspo off those 3 videos. So I might just call this makeup raffle bingo challenge. I actually got my little bingo wheel, if that's what you call it. I don't even know, but it came with like little balls and it has the BINGO with a number in there. If I really wanted to play bingo, I was thinking maybe I could do like BINGO and then play like that, but I don't know if I want to do that. So I'm just gonna play regular, kind of do like my own thing and just ignore the letters completely and just play off the numbers and so on. So that's how it's gonna go, and I am gonna stick to the 5 colors because bingo does have 5 letters. I feel like this is already so confusing. I'm so confused, but I hope it can get easier as I go because this is already a hot mess and I'm ready for it. So if you guys want to see me raffle and play bingo with my makeup palette, let's go ahead and get started. And before we do get started though, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up because that always helps a lot. And don't forget to click that little bell, that way you guys are notified when I post new videos. Y'all definitely don't want to miss out. So without further ado, I'm nervous. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be using, like I said, my Morphe James Charles palette. Now this palette actually has 39 shades, which I find it so funny, like 39 colors. That's a really odd number. So what I basically actually did was go through my little wheel and I took out all the other numbers. I made sure I only have 1 through 39 here. So, I'm so excited. Okay. I think this is like the perfect palette because it has so many freaking colors, and his palette has just a variety of brights, neutrals. I mean, this is so scary. Okay, I'm trying to hold it so you guys can see. So let's raffle up the first one. Let me just spin it. What the fudge? Wait, am I supposed to spin it like this? I'm so confused. We got the first one. The first one that I see is 33. So I'm counting like this, you guys. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, blah, 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 you know what I mean? 33. Jesus, take the wheel. Literally. And all right, well, let's take a look at this color. You know what? This is a green. Oh, what am I gonna do with this? All right, on to the next ball. All right, hopefully nothing falls out this time. What the hell? I'm not doing this right, am I? It just fell out. Oh God. Okay, so the next number we have is 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. We got a black. We love a black shadow, honestly. I'm kind of actually excited for this look now. Is it this way? I'm trying to make sure I do this right. Like, you know what I mean? Oh, damn, I'm really not recording this right, but we got a ball. Next ball we have is number 34. Why am I scared? Jesus, don't tell me this is 34. Wait, no, that's not it. So it's actually this color right here. I like how we're sticking to the greens, okay? It's kind of like, I don't even know if that's a green actually. I don't know what color this is. Okay, no, yeah, she's like a blue-green. I feel like I could make this work though. Oh God, we have 2 more colors. I thought I was almost done. I've never had so much anxiety. Maybe I'm supposed to flip it like, let me see. No, I'm supposed to have it like this. Ah, what the f? I'm not doing this right. Where are you at? Let's try this again. I'm pissed. Whatever, okay. It's fine. So this is the number 27. Why are these numbers like so close? Why can I not get like a top number? Wait a minute. 27. 27. That's blue. That is like blue. Okay, 27, honey. I don't know if I'm ready for you, but I mean, I guess we're going tropical grunge. 1 more color. Will it save the look? Will it ruin it? Let's find out. I want to make sure I spin this right and like really just let this be correct. I feel like people are gonna be dragging me in the comments like, that's not how you spin it. What if it's like this? All right, Jesus, what do you have for me today? Why? Okay, we have the number 31. Like, why didn't I get like a number up here where all the neutrals are? Like, why did I get just the colorful ones? Well, just as I thought, trash.
Well, just as I thought, trash.
So 31 is pink, a light pink. Okay, why did this pick that? You know what, that doesn't even look that pink. We could probably pull this off. Wow, that's a lifesaver, low-key. Like, that could be a transition color. I'm actually really worried about tonight. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna wear. This is just too much for me. This is like a piñata. Now that we have raffled up and played bingo, let's go ahead and get started with the eyes. Okay, I think we're gonna grab the pink and we're just gonna throw it as a transition to knock that out the way, because that's gonna be the easiest, I think, step to do for this. So let's just throw her in, and like, she's really not pigmented. It's just so light. So I'm actually kind of happy that this one is like not there. This little game is good in a way because I guess you get to really play with your palettes, because I feel like I'm the kind of person that just sticks to the same colors. I'm not gonna lie. Like, as colorful as a palette is, I mean, if I once in a while want to get creative, I'll do it, but I stick to the same colors. Alrighty, what color do I want to grab next? Let's... This is a lot of thinking. You know what? Let's stick to blues and pinks on top. I think I know what I'm gonna go for. All right, so let's grab this actually really cute blue. It literally matches my clips actually, which is kind of iconic. Okay, yeah, she's very pigmented. I actually really do like this palette. Okay, boom. I'm like looking at my colors, forgetting what am I doing. What the fudge? Why is this coming out so patchy? I know James had mentioned about using a Painterly paint pot with a palette, and I always freaking forget to pop it out. Damn it. Oh my god, this is like really frustrating me. We're gonna move on to the next color. I'm just gonna go like jump right into the black, because I think that's what I just need like ASAP, because I want to distract it from this blue. All right, I'm just gonna focus this black out here to deepen up, you know, a little bit. You know what? I just feel like this is not, I don't actually, no, I'm not gonna say it. Just, she needs help right now, honestly. That black is coming out good, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, she's pigmented, all right. Oh, this is lovely. This is so lovely. Okay, gonna grab more of that blue, honey, because now she's just looking like, I don't even know what she's looking like at this point. She's very dramatic, but I mean, go f***ing off, I guess. I guess we're gonna go there today. We sure are. I still have that green though. I still have that damn green. Dang, the fallout is real. You know, it doesn't look that bad. We're gonna take now this color right here. I think this is actually gonna go with the eye. And yes, I am pulling out the cut crease paintbrush. I'm obsessed with this, and you should really watch my full face using big old brushes, because you'll understand there. It's my favorite cut crease brush, and I'm not embarrassed to pull it out. Why do I feel like this is not showing. Yay. Let's wet the brush. Maybe that's what it's missing. There she is. I don't know if this shows up as I thought. Why does it look so different on there? Ugh, we love surprises. I guess we're just doing really smoked down blue shadow today. Let's go in with the black. Let's save her a little bit. She's a hot mess, like a really, really hot, scary mess. You know, I'm kind of living for it, kind of not. I think the most important thing here is that my crease is like creasing really, really weirdly. I'm forgetting that I used the pink too. Oh my god, it's like so, you can't even see it literally. So I only have the green left. So what that means is we're gonna use the green on the lower lash line. I'm gonna actually finish the rest of my eyes. So for this game, you could do, you know, your liner, lashes, whatever you wanna do. Like I said in this video, we're only playing with a palette. I'm gonna clean this up because Lord, this might actually help. This might save the look a little bit. Now that it's cleaned up, it looks a little better, but I think with liner and lashes, it's just gonna be like, boom, different look, because lashes always make a difference. So without further ado, I'm gonna just finish that up and I'll be right back to do the lower lash line. So in a 1, in a 2, in a 1, 2, 3, boom. All right, you guys, I have my face basically all complete except my lower lash line and obviously my lips. So we have one color left and that is the green one. So that will actually be on my lower lash line, of course, because there's already a lot going on. And honestly, right now that my makeup is like almost complete, I actually really am living for this look, but I just think the green might just ruin it because I just don't know how the combo of this like literal green would look with this blue. That's the only color we have left. And I might mix in a little bit of black to smoke it out. But we're going in. I just don't want to get any fallout. Like, ugh, I already did my foundation. I should have probably done black liner first and then smoked it out because that's usually what I do. Now that I'm thinking straight, let's grab a little bit of this pink to kind of blend the green out, you know? You cannot see that. Well, I don't know how to feel about this. Like, I feel like it doesn't look that weird. I literally think for tonight, I'm just gonna take the green off, put blue, or just add blue over and call it a day. But I think now we're gonna take, oh, I actually completely forgot to tell you guys as well. So before I applied my lashes, I just applied a little bit of like black on the lash line just to smoke out. So I didn't go with a liner after all. So I just took the black shadow and boom. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the black shadow and just like smoke it on the little rim. That way, you know, it can look a little smoked out, not just really have one color, because the freaking pink's not even showing up at all. That color got lost on the eyelid like right away. I low-key got really, really lucky with that one. All right, okay. I don't think that looks as bad as I thought. Wow, so we used all 5 colors already. I'm actually really shocked right now. Okay, I'm actually gonna finish, like, just apply liner on my waterline and some mascara, throw on a lipstick as well, and yeah. Oh my god, I'm shocked. This is crazy. We did it. We freaking did it. You guys, I'm actually so freaking obsessed with this makeup look. Like, literally, it looks a lot better than I thought it was gonna come out. I literally thought I was gonna come out like a freaking clown. Oh my god, this is so weird. Like, I'm like, I don't even think I want to change it. I think the green, it kind of looks cool, like with the blue. Like, it's like giving me a look and I'm obsessed. It almost actually looks blue. What? Who is she? Oh my goodness. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and please give me a huge thumbs up for the effort. I mean, honestly, like, I'm obsessed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below because I literally, with these colors, was terrified. This was so freaking fun. Like, if y'all want to try this out, I mean, I think it's fun. Like, you get to like try different things out because I'm definitely not the only one that goes for the same look every single time. You know, it's funny because I really didn't think blue was gonna go with green at all. And the pink one kind of scared me a little bit, but let's be honest, the pink one is just invisible. Like, it doesn't, you can't even see this on my hand. This is literally the pink. But I'm so glad I used all 5 colors because obviously that's what this challenge is about. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't confusing because I know the whole bingo raffle thing was just a hot mess in general. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for the continuous love and support. I love you so much. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm like feeling myself. Is this weird? I'm sorry. I love it so much.